Hi, I'm Grace Neo. We are here to learn more about financial literacy. Do you know that you can get other people to pay for your property? Come, let me show you. Let's assume that you buy a one-bedroom condo for $750,000. You need to pay for the stamp duty, legal fee, and a 25% down payment. The total amount needed is $207,600. As your down payment is 25%, you need to take a loan of 75%. Let's also assume that you qualify to borrow for 30 years. Your rental can cover your monthly installment. Can I ask you, who is paying the monthly installments to the bank? You or your tenant? Your tenant is paying the monthly installments to the bank. Now, fast forward to 30 years later. Assume the price of the condo has increased from 750,000 to 1 million. Now your condo is fully paid. How much have you paid? 207,600. How much have your tenants paid? $792,400. Do you want other people to pay for your home? If you do, contact me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel now and you'll be notified whenever I create a new video so that you don't miss anything. Like my video and leave a comment.